Customization is at the heart of RIFRA's philosophy. We understand that each customer has unique needs and tastes, and we are proud to offer a complete customization service to create the perfect kitchen for every home. Our team of expert designers works closely with each customer to create a custom project that meets specific space, budget, and personal style requirements. During the design process, the RIFRA team focuses on the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality, using the most innovative materials and technologies to create a kitchen environment that is beautiful to look at and easy to use. Additionally, we ensure that the project is perfectly integrated into the overall furnishings of the home, creating a unique and harmonious environment. Our customization service also includes the ability to choose from a wide range of finishes, details, and accessories to further customize the kitchen. We also offer a selection of high-quality appliances to complete the project. In summary, with RIFRA, you can be sure to get a unique and custom-made luxury kitchen, designed and built to meet your specific needs and match your personal tastes. Today we want to share with you an example of how we have created a luxury custom-made kitchen project for one of our customers, demonstrating how the perfect combination of design and functionality is possible with RIFRA. The customer's needs, which emerged in an initial conversation with one of our designers, were to combine design with functionality. What couldn't be missing was the island in the middle of the room, as the customer wanted the kitchen to be the core of the house. The design chosen by the customer was that of the Fly collection, which with its characteristic 45 degrees cuts on the doors and 30 degrees on the top gives lightness to the central island. The main finish fell on black cement, a textured finish, created manually by our artisans. This material is manually spatulated on the doors and on all the visible parts of the kitchen, so that each panel is never like any other and enhances every kitchen, making it unique. The functionality of the kitchen was ensured by the development on two walls, one that develops with bases and wall units, and on which the stove and sink are located, while on the island there is a second sink to facilitate food preparation operations. At the customer's request, we also inserted a wooden snack counter, ideal for breakfast, snacks, and appetizers. On the opposite wall, the oven columns, which guarantee further containment, and the refrigerator column were inserted. Always following the desires of the clients, an open front library was added by joining the two materials of the kitchen, wood and hand-spatulated black cement. Once the project was approved, our designers created the executive and our production in Brianza produced the customer's kitchen. RIFRA produces its own kitchens, having in its company the departments of carpentry, finishing, painting, assembly, packaging, and shipping to the final customer. In addition, we assemble our kitchens in the customer's home to ensure perfect execution and resolve any minor problems that may occur during this delicate phase. Here's how Anna Maria, our customer, described her experience to our microphones. "I met RIFRA through social media, and it was love at first sight. Later, I visited the showroom in Milan, where the RIFRA designer perfectly understood my needs, that is, that the kitchen is the focal point of the house, and that in addition to being beautiful, it must be functional. The Fly Kitchen by RIFRA is wonderful, and I am happy to have made this choice and to have met a company like RIFRA, serious and professional, that has followed us in every aspect, even in post-sales assistance. Whoever comes to visit us is amazed by the beauty of the kitchen." If you are looking for a high-quality custom kitchen, RIFRA is therefore the right choice for you, because we are the only high-end company that designs, produces, installs, and delivers our own kitchens from production to the final consumer, without intermediaries. By choosing RIFRA, you can be sure that your kitchen will be made with high-quality materials to ensure that it is durable and long-lasting over time. The customer service at RIFRA is excellent, so you don't have to worry about anything. All customers are followed step by step to ensure they are satisfied with their project. To start your custom project with RIFRA, all you have to do is contact us to schedule a meeting with an experienced designer. During the meeting, the designer will discuss your needs and preferences and propose a customized project. Don't hesitate, contact RIFRA today to begin creating the kitchen of your dreams.
RIFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.